Gymea Lily, Dorianthus excelsa, is a majestic Australian native plant known for its striking tall flower spikes and sword-like leaves. Growing this iconic plant from seed in pots allows gardeners to bring the beauty of the Gymea lily to smaller spaces or containers. We'll explore the step-by-step process of growing Gymea lily from seed in pots, providing insights into seed preparation, potting mix selection, germination techniques, and ongoing care to ensure a successful and rewarding cultivation experience. Understanding Gymea Lily. Gymea Lily, native to the east coast of Australia, is a robust perennial plant that can thrive in a variety of conditions. Its impressive flower spikes, which can reach towering heights, make it a stunning addition to gardens and containers alike. Seed collection. Gymea Lily produces large, dark seeds within its distinctive cone-shaped flower spikes. Collect mature seeds when the flower spike has dried and turned brown. Gently tap the seeds out of the cone and into a container, discarding any chaff or debris. Seed preparation. Gymea Lily seeds have a hard outer shell that can benefit from scarification to enhance germination. Use a small file or sandpaper to gently nick the seed coat, creating small scratches. Soak the scarified seeds in room temperature water for 24 hours to soften the outer layer. This process helps the seeds absorb water more readily, kickstarting the germination process. Selecting the right pots and potting mix. Choose large, deep pots to accommodate the long taproot of the Gymea lily. Opt for a well-draining potting mix with a combination of coarse sand, perlite, and quality potting soil. Fill the pots to within a few inches of the rim, leaving enough space for watering and seedling growth. Sowing Gymea. Lily seeds. Plant the scarified seeds on the surface of the potting mix, pressing them gently into the soil. Avoid burying the seeds too deep, as Gymea lily seeds require light for germination. Space the seeds several inches apart to allow for proper root development. Watering and covering. Water the pots thoroughly after sowing, ensuring the soil is evenly moist. Cover the pots with a clear plastic lid or plastic wrap to create a greenhouse effect. This helps retain moisture and provides a warm environment for germination. Place the pots in a bright, indirect light location. Germination and seedling care. Gymea Lily. Seeds typically germinate within a few weeks to a couple of months. Once the seedlings emerge, remove the cover and place the pots in direct sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. As the seedlings develop, thin them out, leaving the strongest and healthiest plants in each pot. Transplanting to larger containers. When the Gymea lily seedlings have grown to a manageable size, transplant them into larger containers filled with the same well-draining potting mix. Handle the seedlings carefully to avoid damaging the roots. Water the transplants thoroughly and place them in a sunny location. Outdoor planting. Gymea lily thrives in full sun to partial shade. Choose a well-draining outdoor location if you plan to transplant your Gymea lily from pots to the garden. Gradually acclimate the plants to outdoor conditions before planting them in their final position. Ongoing care and maintenance. Gymea lily is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid waterlogged conditions. Fertilize sparingly, as excessive nutrients can lead to leggy growth. Prune dead or damaged leaves as needed to maintain the plant's aesthetic appeal. Growing Gymea lily from seed in pots is a rewarding venture that allows you to witness the transformation of this iconic Australian native plant from a tiny seed to a majestic and elegant presence. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you can create a thriving container garden adorned with the beauty of Gymea lily, adding a touch of Australian wilderness to your home. Embrace the journey and enjoy the satisfaction of cultivating this remarkable plant from its earliest stages.